Okay guys, so I'm gonna add this battery switch. I'm just gonna use it as a kill switch, but what I'm gonna do is take the negative off this battery, run the negative from my motor, the starter negative. I'm gonna connect it to this switch, and then I'm gonna run the switch negative to the negative on the battery. So that will stop any power from the motor or fuse box taking power from this battery. Then I'm going to take this quick connect here that I made on a previous video, positive to positive, negative to negative, and hook that up to this guy. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. I'll take this one here. I'll connect this one to this battery, positive, positive, negative, negative. And then when I need power, I'll take this cable, like I'll shove it underneath there, hook it up to that battery, and then I'll have all the power I need. And these both batteries are 90 amp hour, so I have a whole bunch of power. Should not have any more issues with power. And then my starting battery, this blue top here, is no more good, so I will replace that. But I do want this switch on here so that I don't have that issue of it dying again. So I got this switch hooked up, negative from the starter here, negative out from the switch to the battery. That's now a kill switch. Keeps it separated, motor to battery. I also have this connector connected, positive, positive, negative, negative. The other cable here I have ran and ready to go. It doesn't look pretty right now, but at the lake I don't have much time to make things look pretty. So here it is right here. Anytime that I need it, all you gotta do is hook up these two connectors and then I'll have full power. If I need it, hopefully I don't need it, but when you're out on the water and you're listening to tunes, that's what you want. No more issues, right?